Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Drive link to share files, right? So you want to go ahead and go to your Google Drive. So you want to head over to google.com, and once you sign into your account, click on the Google Apps icon here on the upper right hand side, and you want to look for Drive, click in Drive. This will take you into your Google Drive, and from here you'll be able to see the Google Drive interface. As you can see, it says welcome to Google Drive here, and you can see your files and your folders. By default it will show files, but you can switch this to folders here if you so desire. It's really up to you. Now once you find the file that you want to share, so let's say I would like to share this test form here, right? All you have to do, right click on that form, and then you want to go ahead and click and share. So once you over with share, you will see the share option here. Click on that and it will open up this window here. Now there is a few ways to go about doing this. You can enter the person or the persons or groups that you want to share it with. If you want to share it with somebody in specific, so you can enter the email address here or the group there, where whatever it may be, and you can enter this, and that will be shared only with those specific persons. Or you can go ahead and share it publicly with anyone who has the link. So here under general access, you can change it from restricted, and you can do it anyone who has the link. So you can switch this like that. Now in terms of the visibility and what this person can do, you can easily change this as well. So the next thing is basically managing the access. And now as you can see here, it says towards the right hand side that I'm the owner, and it's gonna give the editor right. So it simply means that anyone who has editor's right, they're able to delete the file. Now if you don't want to give people such rights, you can change this, but then you normally have a drop down here that you can easily switch it. But now in order to change the rights, you have to click the gear on the upper right hand side. This is the settings, and then once you click on this gear, you can uncheck what you don't want. So in this case, I don't want them to have editor's rights, so I will uncheck this and leave only the view. Now once you click back, this is gonna automatically ensure that they don't have editor's rights. And even though it has editor's right here, it says editor will be able to view and delete the file. However, don't worry, whosoever will have the link will not have editor's right, because it is changed here and you remove the editor's link. So now you can simply go ahead and copy the link here, then click on done. Then you can go ahead and you can share this with whosoever you want. So you can share this within an email, you can share this within WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever you want to share this file. You can easily go ahead and share the link that you copied in order to have them visit the link. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.